I'm Nona. Thanks for joining me today. If you're a return visitor, I'm so glad you came back. And if you're new, welcome to my craft table and my home. Today we're going to do an easy Christmas craft, and I have a quick giveaway. So stay tuned to the end so you can see the giveaway. Today what we're going to do is an easy Christmas wreath. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need. I have an 8-inch wreath form. I get everything at Dollar Tree. This is the pack. You get it 2 8-inch wreath forms for $1. They're just like the big wreath forms that we use. And I did use this one year to make exactly what we're going to make this morning, only much bigger. I got a package of 15 ornament decorations that are the Christmas balls. I got them in red, green, and gold. And there are 15. It doesn't tell me how big they are, but they're the medium size. I got a package of 16 of the gold and silver. I've used the silver on the other wreath, and I got to tell you, I got to go back to Dollar Tree, oh darn, and get more because I've already made one wreath, which I'll show you, and I used a lot of them on the other wreath. But you only need one package of these if you're only going to make one wreath. 16 pieces of those. I've got a package of decorative bells, 16 pieces in there, and they're red and green, and they come in a string, but I'm going to cut them apart. I got 3 red poinsettias, and they come on clips at Dollar Tree. I still have some of my red and green bows that I used on other Dollar Tree Christmas crafts. There's 12 pieces. I have 1 left on this one and then 12 more. I have some of my decorative bells left. You get 2. I have green and red, and they come 2 pieces in a pack. And I have some of my diamond ribbon left over from other crafts that I've done. I got that at Dollar Tree too. And that's about it. All of the decorative ornament balls, Christmas balls, come in with little hangers in them. I've just put those aside when I cut open the packages. And of course, I have my trusty glue gun. Okay, so this is the wreath. I call the convex side of the wreath the front, and I call the concave side of the wreath form the back. We're going to work on the front, or the the convex side that sticks out. That's where we're going to work on. And what we're going to do is we're going to hot glue our Christmas balls onto the front of the wreath form. So I've got my hot glue gun going, and we're just going to go around and hot glue them on randomly, okay? And I know a lot of people like the red and blue colors for Christmas, so I'm doing this one in red and green and gold. You will need at least 1 pack to do this for the smaller wreath. Now, one year I used the large wreath form to do this with, and it was quite beautiful and quite dramatic and quite heavy. And it was when we lived in a large home, and I had a large dining room with a large mirror, and I hung it over the dining room mirror, and it was quite beautiful. It was also quite heavy. but I loved it. But we have since downsized to a much smaller condo. I'm going to take the smaller one and just glue it in there to fill in a space. But since we've downsized and I have a much smaller area and a much smaller mirror, I'm just going to make a smaller wreath. This would be great if you have a smaller place to decorate, or you have someone that you'd like to make a decoration for that lives in a smaller space, or you have a loved one that excuse me, is in assisted living or independent living and just has a small room, and you'd like to make them a gift for their room or for their door. And this would make a great gift. Now these bells I thought were individual. They come on a string, which is easy enough to cut apart, and you just undo the little string, and then I glue the top on, back on, and this is what you use to fill in the spaces that you have from your bigger Christmas balls. Okay, so that's all you do. You just go around and randomly glue on your Christmas balls of different sizes. Now, of course, when I did the big one, I used the large Christmas balls, and then the medium Christmas balls, and then the smaller Christmas balls, and then the real small Christmas balls, and filled them in. Okay, just like that. Then you can take, if you want to get the poinsettias. Now, of course, you don't have to go and buy all this stuff. You can simply, if you've got extra Christmas balls from in your Christmas decoration, I can just clip this on like that, and it's a great filler, see? And I've got 3 of those to put on that I can use as a filler. And I'm just gonna go around and glue on the Christmas balls in random shapes and sizes and fill it in. And then I will take, you know, I've got ribbons here that I also can glue on, red and green ribbons that I can glue on for fillers. Like that. And I've got the jingle bells that I could glue on. Like this. And fill the whole thing in. So for about $4, I could make this entire wreath. Okay? So easy to do, fun to do. I finished one, which I'm going to show you right now. And I did this one in gold and silver, which is what I like to use in my decor. Did it in gold and silver. I had the silver poinsettias, and I used the gold and silver balls. And see, I ran out of these so I have to go back and get another package of the gold small balls to use on my green and gold one. And then I just took this red diamond ribbon, which I had leftovers from another craft, and I ran it through the top and bottom rungs of the back of the ring and hot glued it, and now I can hang it up on my smaller mirror in my entranceway. And isn't that pretty? So easy and so pretty, and someone would love it as a gift, and it would make a lovely decoration for your home, and so easy to do and so inexpensive and looks so high-end. So that is the Christmas craft for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not hit that subscribe button, I wish you'd do so today. What are you waiting for? It's free, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And now for the quick giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, and in the comments below, comment, "I have subscribed and shared this video." How do you share? Tap on share on the share word. It says share. Tap on that. You can share it through your Facebook page or through your email. If you comment, "I subscribed and have shared," then you entered the contest. So what's the prize? Well, I shared this the other day on my Dollar Tree haul, but I have heard that some people cannot find it in their Dollar Tree. This is the Sassy and Chick electronic nail kit, and it comes with the electronic tool and 3 tools. The pink one is to push back your cuticle. The straight barrel one is a buffing tool, and the tapered barrel one is a shaping tool to shape your nail. It works fantastic. I have one. I've used it a number of times. You need a AA battery, okay? So if you comment below, "I subscribed and have shared," you enter the contest. It will be open until next Thursday, which is the Thursday after Election Day. So to get you through Election Day, I'm running this quick giveaway for this Sassy and Chick electronic nail kit. All right? That's all you have to do. Nice and easy. Hit the subscribe button and comment down below, and I will get it out to you. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a thumbs up if you did, and I hope to see you next time. Remember to be kind, because there's a lot of crazies out there.